Pisces full moon, I spoke to her of my prayer. Dearest Lady Quan Yin, you call on me and I am there. Dearest Lady Quan Yin, I ask for a full measure of compassion for myself. During this time of discernment, using the energy to discern what needs adjustments in your life, what daily routines can you slightly alter to support the true you more, to support your truth more, to support the truth of your light. I am Quan Yin. Gathering on the new moon is a time to think and share. Gathering on the new moon is a time to help manifest, to focus, to make a list, to create a drawing, to create a collage, to create an idea of what you want to see coming into fruition. This new moon sits on a solar eclipse. The solar eclipse was early in your morning, but it is very strong for a week before and a week after. The new moon has a specific kind of strength, different than the full moon. And so you have the next 7 days to utilize this. And you've had 7 days before. Taking a moment to look over the past 7 days, see what has been going on for you. Ask yourself, what has been going on for me? What have I noticed? Look at the threads. Did I get upset? Was I feeling joyful? Was I feeling the urge to create, to paint, to make love, to walk on the earth? Was I feeling the urge to find something new, to go into a new training, a new class? Was I feeling the urge to be alone and retreat? Those urges were important. Follow them through. Look over the last 7 days to last Sunday. Right now, as a thread, look over the waves. Oh yes, busy weeks, lots of different things going on. You are multidimensional creatures, capable of balancing a great deal of things. You are the God, goddess of your reality. You are the center of your universe, and you are much bigger and powerful than you can imagine with your minds. I am Quan Yin, the compassionate one. I am Quan Yin, expressing myself in the many thousand arms, those arms there to balance, to soothe, to support each one of you. I am Quan Yin. I am your protection. Ask for protection. As your vibration shifts, the energy shifts around you. Other vibrations may begin to fear you as they see you lightning. Others may be drawn to you and enjoy you and reflect it back. No matter what experience you have as you change and ascend into something new, no matter the experiences of recognizing leaving some behind, agitating some, be compassionate with the self and with them. Know that I am with you. I am protecting you. You are stepping into a higher vibration. Listen to the music of it. Listen to the symphony in your soul. Listen to the song within your soul. Listen to the tone within your being and remember who you are.